Welcome to Techno Thinkers YouTube channel. Please like, comments, share, and subscribe to our channel. We will discuss in this video. Let's dive deeper into digital collectibles. What's in the new feature about digital collectibles? Digital wallet. New sharing options. Automatic tags. Last words on digital collectibles. Digital collectibles. Instagram's new feature. Unwinding a new career path, such as becoming an influencer, is one of the biggest trends arising from Instagram. Digital collectibles will probably mark a new trend. The social media giant values its creators more than anything. Its constant efforts to enhance users' experience have a new ace under the sleeves. Let's dive deeper into digital collectibles. Instagram announces that the digital collectibles will allow creators to showcase their non-fungible tokens, NFTs, on the platform. Basically, collectibles signify any material online as images and videos, music, or trading cards. Moreover, the process is quite simple. First, creators will upload any digital content and turn it into unique digital collectibles. Whether you want to sign or not the collectible, sell them or give them away for free, that's up to you as a creator. Secondly, the creator must tag its content with hashtag NFT for the non-fungible token. Thirdly, your content will be automatically turned into a digital collectible ready to buy, sell, or trade. NFTs are a new digital asset that allows people to own unique items in the digital world. NFTs are irreplaceable. So, each NFT is truly one of a kind. This makes them perfect for collecting and trading. What is the new feature of digital collectibles? Digital wallet. Digital creators continue to explore the world of non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Thus, Instagram will make it easier to showcase and sell their work. The new feature allows users and creators to choose and display their NFTs easily. New sharing options. With this new feature, Instagram makes it easier for creators to showcase and sell their digital collectibles. Once you publish one of them, it will display the description of the NFT as public information. Automatic tags. When a user posts an image of an NFT on Instagram, the app will automatically tag both the creator and collector in the caption. Last words on digital collectible business world. With blockchain technologies sounds like mine. So far, fame was the best thing that Instagram could promote with its algorithm. It's about time fans reward their favorite content creators online by purchasing their work.